Taken 3 is a movie by producer Luc Besson and director Oliver Megaton. And this movie falls like a nuclear bomb on top of the unsuspecting moviegoers.
Good luck.
This movie makes me angry, like properly physically angry. Like this, it makes me like, ugh. This is a film rant. Welcome to Film Pickle, and today we are going to rant about Taken 3. Let's start with the pros first. There are none. Moving on. Let's start with the cons of the movie. Everything in the movie other than Liam Neeson's decent performance is a con. This movie has bad editing. The editing makes zero sense. All the action scenes have been edited into like 1 second clips going so fast that your mind cannot capture what is going on. You do not know in an action scene where the hero is, which car is he in, what's going on. A car just crashed. You think that's the hero's car. No, it's not. It's some other car. They just put in that random clip in between. This makes Dhoom 3, Aamir Khan's Dhoom 3 look like a good, coherent, well-made film. That's how bad this is. Coming down to story, we have seen a movie called Fugitive, and that movie has the exact same story as this one. It was better done then. That movie has also been ripped off in Bollywood many times. So it's a typical wife gets killed, husband gets blamed, the cops are after him, and of course the husband has not done it. And that story could have worked very well in this case. It just doesn't work out because everyone is doing illogical things. The police is inept, the hero is just, oh, I'm just hero, I'm Liam Neeson, I'm just gonna run away. Maybe the story is not that great. Transformers 3-4 didn't have that great a story either. This movie was so bad that it made me miss Transformers 4. Well, Michael Bay used to be a good director with Bad Boys 1 and 2. He's recently gone to shit. This guy has always been shit. His previous movies like Taken 2, Transporter 3, incoherent messes. They were crap movies, but trust me, this director has evolved in making craptastic movies, and this movie is the culmination of all his talents of making crap shit. That's how bad this movie is. I never curse movies. I'm cursing this one. As for the action scenes, okay, this is a movie where you go like, okay, fine, forget the story, there's a bad editing, at least are the action scenes good, you know, like Transformers 4 is my go-to bad movie in action genre. At least the action scenes were kind of good. So, is it there? No, there are no good action scenes. This movie does not have action scenes. It has action snippets. You know, small cuts of actions happening. There is no coherency in it. So, we come down to plot cliches. By Taken 3, Liam Neeson has become such a super soldier. His character of Brian Mills has become so awesome that if there is a huge car crash and the car blows up, you think, oh, maybe Brian Mills is dead. No, he's not. He escaped out of it miraculously. They don't even show how he escaped. He just did. It's a miracle. Happens. There have been scenes where his car goes down an elevator shaft, blows up, and next scene he's standing some 10 blocks away. He's talking to them calmly on the phone. How did he escape? They don't need to show it. Brian Mills is so awesome. Last but not the least, this movie's climax, so-called, is ripped off from the movie Kick-Ass. This movie has the exact same kind of climax. Instead of the little girl, it's Liam Neeson. He goes up the left and wow, they ripped off Kick-Ass from 5 years ago, and Kick-Ass did it better. This is not a movie review. This is a movie rant. None of you should go and watch this movie any which ways. The only thing I'm ranting about this is because such movies getting made, this talks of Taken 4 being made. For crying out loud, such movies need to be discouraged by everyone involved, from critics to audience, and this movie is still making money. And that is why we are concluding this movie rant with, do not watch Taken 3, do not watch if there's a Taken 4, and stop watching crappy Liam Neeson movies. Wait for him to be in something good and then maybe see that. For Film Pickle, this is Rohan Nag signing out. Thank you.